is hard work. And there it goes. Hey guys, here we are, day 8 on the house project. Today we have tree cutting. Now, I kind of did this in the wrong order, so it's going to look like this is going to be the first of the video, but really we already cut down the tree and everything, and we'll show you that later on in the video. But we've got this big cedar tree we've got to cut down. This one over here we've got cut down, so we're going to chop it up in little pieces, haul it into the dumpster as much as possible, maybe save some of it for mulch, I don't know. But I'm going to show you something kind of funny real quick. This is the sword and stone. So we were cutting this big part of the trunk down, and yeah, we did not really get it exactly right. So what we have is the blade is stuck in there because the pressure of the tree falling is pinching on the blade, and now it won't come out. So we had to get another chainsaw, and we're going to try to rectify that pretty soon. But it's a huge tree, you know, weighs thousands of pounds. Oops, another thing we learned. It's okay, this whole process is about learning, and we're learning a lot, and we're doing really well. It's been a week, and we've gone from having a house here to having the house completely gone. Trees are going to be gone probably by the end of tomorrow. Then all the hard stuff's done. The only thing we're going to have left is we haven't decided if we're going to site build a house or if we're going to bring in like kind of a newer used mobile home and do some stuff to that. We don't know yet. Again, trying to see what we think the best option is, and we'll let you know as soon as we figure it out. But y'all keep watching the video. I'll show you us cutting up and removing this tree today. And please like and subscribe, comment. All that stuff gives us better algorithms on YouTube, and we make more money. It puts us in front of more people, and you can help us out just by clicking a few buttons. So we appreciate it. Y'all enjoy. Good morning, guys. All right, we are here. This is day 9 of our project. So yesterday we cut down 2 big trees and try to clean up this whole area, and then we are going to get a cutting torch and cut up this metal frame and haul that off, and hopefully we will be done this weekend and then ready to bring in something new. And I'm excited. I don't know if we're gonna build a house from ground up, if we're gonna get like another used mobile home. We haven't decided yet, but leave your comments down. Let me know what you think would be better, what's gonna make us the most money with the least amount of effort, and we're gonna try to start making a business out of flipping houses. So I'm excited that y'all are coming along with us and watching. Please like and subscribe, that really helps. Comment, that all helps the algorithms with YouTube, and we really appreciate it, and we'll see you in a minute. Bye.